Drips and suds are a worktop's nightmare, and hard water can leave your drainer looking dirty and dull. Introducing the Deluxe Dish Drying Mat from J&L. This double-sided microfiber drying mat is so absorbent it'll be soaking up while you're washing up. The secret is in the porous microfiber mesh that draws water away from your dishes and locks it into the foam core, absorbing over 3 times its weight in water, so dishes and glasses dry super quick. Plus, the cushioned layers protect your kitchenware from chipping. Now you can declutter your worktop and keep it clean and dry, or use it under your dish rack to catch drips, spills and suds. Don't you hate it when your best glasses dry like this? The Deluxe Dish Drying Mat reduces condensation by drawing away water that can leave stains, giving you hygienic, crystal clear results every time. Family meals and dinner parties can mean a lot of extra washing up. Forget thin dishcloths and paper towels that saturate easily and leave a mess. Deluxe Dish Drying Mat lets you extend your draining area in an instant. Delicate crockery, stemware and china can crack and chip on hard surfaces, but the foam support of the Deluxe Dish Mat means they'll be safe while they dry. Machine washable, use it time after time. No one likes washing up. Make every day easier with a JML Microfiber Deluxe Dish Drying Mat.
Hi, my name is David Herron. In 2006, I was doing home-to-home cooking demonstration. I realized that in every house, the same issue kept coming up. While cooking, where do you place your pot cover and your cooking utensils without making a mess and taking up all of your counter space? The solution I'm presenting to you today fixes all of those challenges that you face. I present to you today POTCOV. A a universal pot cover holder with spoon wraps.
Living in the city, counter space is one of the most precious resources inside my house, and so I'm looking for anything and everything I can do to make sure that I can have clean and spacious counters, especially with 2 kids running around.
Today has been one of the first times that I've actually cooked with a pot cover in a very long time. As you can see, this little small kitchen, I really don't have space for many things, and these covers are humongous. And if I'm cooking, I'm trying to do something, I'm putting it down. It just takes up too much room, it makes it messy. I need space, and now I can just have a place to put my pots, everything's neat. I even have a place to put the ladle when I'm done so nothing spills, and it has made such a difference.
If you want free space, if you want free hands, if you want your kitchen to be as neat and tidy as possible, I definitely recommend POTCOV for you.
By selecting one of the options today, you're saying yes to getting your counter space back. Yes to a cleaner countertop from less mess. Yes to free and so you can multitask when you cook. I'm David Herman, and I approve